I make videos for fun. I'm just a dude.
Are you tired of your iPhone, but you want something more, but you don't have a lot of money to spend? Amazon Renewed got you. I just ordered this iPhone SE for $146 off Amazon, $164 with taxes, but we better unbox it. Let's just get straight into it. Okay guys, package just came in. We about to open it now, and yeah, I'm so excited. Oh, okay, so just took it out of the package. Got the box. So let's see what we my phone just. Anyways, so we have the charger. We have the box. Now this is not an official iPhone charger. One second. These are not official iPhone products because of course it was renewed on Amazon. So yeah. Well, it looks brand new. No scratches at all. Hopefully it turns on. Maybe it needs to be charged. Hey guys, so it is dead right now, so when it charges, I'll be back with y'all. Okay, so it just now charged. It's only on, anyways, waiting for everything. Let's check out the camera real quick. The camera's important. So the camera is actually decent. It actually honestly looks pretty good. My honest thoughts for a renewed iPhone, it's honestly pretty good. Is it iCloud? Okay, so no iCloud or nothing. It's honestly not bad at all. I would definitely recommend, especially if you don't have money, I would definitely recommend this one.